So it's time to start making our New Year's resolutions. Now I'm here to remind you not to forget to add your IT goals too. Hey everyone, Stan here from Stan's Garage, bringing you everything you need to know for successful business IT management. And a little tech news from time to time too. If you're new to the channel, a little bit about me. I've been running STG InfoTech here, an IT service provider in Los Angeles for around the past 15 years. And on this channel, I help business and IT decision makers with tips to optimize their use of technology. Now in this video, we're gonna discuss the IT resolutions your business should make in 2024 to ensure a successful and secure year ahead. Ready? Let's dive in. So the first resolution we should all be focused on is strengthening your cybersecurity posture, right? You hear it nonstop. Hack here, breach there, millions of dollars lost. You don't want that happening. And over 81% of breaches involve stolen or weak passwords. It's not just about updating your passwords, it's about enforcing robust password controls. What does that all mean? Well, you got to mandate the use of some complexity in your passwords, requiring a mix of lower and uppercase characters, special characters, symbols, etc., and numbers to reduce the likelihood of credentials getting compromised. Consider implementing a password manager for your team. It's going to streamline that whole process. Now, this not only helps in generating and storing secure passwords, but also it's going to assist your employees in managing all those multiple logins securely. Now, building on that, our second resolution is to enable multi-factor authentication, MFA for short. You must hear about this all the time too. As remote work becomes more prevalent, that MFA adds an extra layer of security beyond just usernames and passwords. So consider outsourcing some of that functionality to an IT provider to ensure a smooth MFA implementation across your entire enterprise. Now, if you've got an IT provider, consider speaking with them to help you identify the applications and infrastructure that would benefit from MFA. On top of that, let's talk about keeping systems up to date. Neglecting software updates can expose your business to potential vulnerabilities. Right? So unpatched systems, you hear about it all the time too, they're the ones that get breached more often. So on top of setting up automatic updates on those company devices, to ensure those critical patches are put in place, you might want to use some third-party software to monitor that and make sure it happens. Can't really count on your employees to do it themselves, and reducing such will increase your chances of a compromise. One of the baseline tools you want in place to keep your environment secure. Phishing, you hear about this all the time, quishing and smishing and all the other options. They're going to be one of the biggest ways that hackers try to get into your system. So what do you want to do? You want to keep your employees trained. So there's all kinds of different workshops, trainings, seminars, etc. Our preferred method is a security awareness training platform, and that will go a long way towards mitigating a lot of these threats. It's going to give you lots of little micro trainings and fake phishing emails. It's going to teach your staff to look at these emails more critically as opposed to just trusting any old message that lands in their inbox. And finally, let's resolve to have a comprehensive disaster recovery system in place, right? Plan and tools, and this includes your cloud data, because yes, that stuff can get breached and be lost. So in terms of disaster, human error, or cyber attack, you want that backup to be up and running smooth. It's not just about planning for the worst, but you also want to be sure that you avoid downtime in the event of unexpected events. If that's something you're still not sure about, feel free to message me in the comments. I'll be happy to walk you through it. So there you have it, your IT resolutions for your business in 2024. Strengthen your cybersecurity, boost employee security awareness, and make sure you've got solid backup plans in place. And as always, I would love to hear your thoughts on this. Are you making some IT resolutions for 2024? Let me know in the comments below. In the meantime, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tech and business related videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one.